Good morning, class. Now, as we discussed in the last class, that area of parallelogram, and how can we calculate the area by the information or the data given in figure or in the question. Now, today's topic is area of triangle. Chapter 11. Perimeter and area. Topic for today is area of triangle. Area of triangle. So here we calculate the area of triangle with the help of area of parallelogram. This is a parallelogram ABCD. If we draw the diagonal of this, that is diagonal BD, there is a diagonal BD in parallelogram ABCD. So there are the two triangles. First is ABD and second one is BCD. Then we can easily observe that this diagonal make two equal parts of this parallelogram. This diagonal separate the parallelogram into two equal parts. So there the two parts are two triangles. So both the triangles are equal in area. So this can be mentioned as the diagonal of parallelogram divides the parallelogram into two equal parts, and the two equal parts are triangles. So the area of triangle will be 1/2 area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram. As there are the two triangles and both are equal in area, so the area of each triangle will be equal to half of the area of parallelogram. And we read in the last class, we studied in the last class the area of parallelogram, that is base into height. So what is the formula for area of triangle? Formula for area of triangle is 1/2 base into height. Okay, now note it down. So let me explain again. Area of triangle. Here we find the formula for area of triangle. In for that we take a parallelogram, that is ABCD, and make a diagonal BD. The diagonal of a parallelogram divide the parallelogram into two equal parts, and the parts are two triangles. So here the area of triangle will be equal to 1 by 2 into area of parallelogram. Now the area of triangle, as we discussed in the last class, what is the area of parallelogram? The area of parallelogram is base into its height. So 1 by 2 into base into height is the area of triangle. Make a note here. All the congruent triangles are equal in area, but the triangles equal in area need not to be congruent. Need not to be congruent. For example, suppose we have two congruent triangles. Suppose we have pair of congruent angles. Name it as ABC congruent to triangle PQR. ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Then area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle PQR. If both are congruent to each other, then the area of both the triangles are equal to each other. But the converse part of this is not true, not need to be true. First note it up, then I will make the figure for converse part. And there will be a question in your mind, maybe why they are if they are congruent, why they are equal in area? Because if they are congruent, then all the parts of triangle are equal to each other according to congruency. So if the parts are equal to each other, then the area of both the triangles are also equal to each other. Now the second is the triangles equal in area need not to be congruent. Suppose if area of triangle ABC is equals to area is equals to area of triangle PQR, then it is not necessary, does not imply that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. It is not necessary. It is not necessary. It means अगर एरिया बराबर है तो ये जरूरी नहीं है कि वो कॉन्ग्रुएंट भी होगा, बट अगर कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो ये जरूरी है कि उसका एरिया इक्वल होगा. ठीक है, ये बाय दिस रूल एरिया इज इफ एरिया इज इक्वल देन व्हाई they are not congruent. If area is equal, then its base and height equal, and we cannot talk about other two sides or other angles. So if we don't talk about other parts of the triangle, then how can we say that they are congruent or not? Okay, it is the insufficient data. Note it down. Now we will do example from your book of exercise 11.1. Exercise 11.1. Example 6 of your book. What is the example? One of the side and the corresponding height of a parallelogram are 4 cm and 3 cm respectively. Find the area of the parallelogram. Okay. There is a parallelogram. There is a parallelogram. In which one side is of 4 cm and the perpendicular height will be 3 meter. Height is 3 centimeter. Now here we have to find the area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram formula is base into height. So what is the base? The distance, the distance from the opposite vertex or the line drawn from the opposite vertex to the base. बेस पे ही लाइन ड्रॉ की जाती है, बेस से ही परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस लिया जाता है. सो बेस क्या होगा? 4 सेंटीमीटर. सो व्हाट इज द बेस? 4 सेंटीमीटर. एंड व्हाट इज द हाइट? 3 सेंटीमीटर. 4 multiplied by 3, 12 centimeter square. Centimeter square. So here is the final answer. Area of parallelogram is 12 centimeter square. Now note it down. Now we will do the next example, that example 7. Example 7. We have to find the height x if the area of the parallelogram is 34 centimeter square and the base is 4 centimeter. Here in this type of parallelogram, we have to find the height, that is x given, and the base is of 4 centimeter, and the area of parallelogram is given as 24 centimeter square, and we know that the area of parallelogram is base into height, and the area is 24 and base is 4 centimeter and height is x. So when 4 goes to this side, 24 will be divided with 4. So 24 will be divided with 4 and here x. 4 6 are 24, x equals to 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. In this question, we have to find the height, that is x, given in the question, x centimeter, and the area of the parallelogram is given and its base is given. So by the two known quantity, we have to find the other unknown quantity. So for that, the area of parallelogram is 24 centimeter square given, but we know that the area of parallelogram is base into height, and we put the value of area of parallelogram, that is 24, and base is of 4 centimeter and height is of x. So when 4 goes to this side, 24 will be divided by 4, so x equals to 24 upon 4, that is x equals to 6 centimeter. You can write the final answer. The height of parallelogram is 6 centimeter. The height of parallelogram is 6 centimeter. Now note it down. Okay class, so today what we have discussed, the area of triangle using how can we find the area of triangle, and we find the area of triangle, formula of area of triangle with the help of area of parallelogram, and we will do some, and we have done some examples which is based on area of parallelogram from the book. And now today's homework. Exercise 11.1. Question number 1 and 2. Question number 1 and 2. Thank you class. It's all over for today and we will discuss the next topic in the next class. Thank you.